Reading a complex book on a screen is kind of a mess. You highlight something, then forget where it is. You copy a quote into notes, then lose context. And if you want to ask AI about the chapter, you have to upload the PDF to it separately, in a different tab, disconnected from what you're actually reading. I want to show you how we solved this in Integrity. I'll be using a dense non-fiction book. Exactly the kind of thing you read with the pen in your hand. So here's the book sitting right on my canvas. I can read it, zoom in, flip through pages without leaving my workspace. And if I want to add another one, a second source nearby, I click the attachment button down here. That's it. Now I have two books in the same project, side by side. One more thing before we get to the tools. I can open any book on the side. So the canvas stays in a view on the left and the book opens in a reader view on the right. Also, I can open any book in a full view. This is how I'm actually reading. Canvas on a side for thinking, the book on the other side for reading. This way, nothing blocks anything. First tool, the highlighter. I'll select a line that caught me. I pick a color. Two things happened. The highlight is saved on the page, so it'll be here next time I open this book. And it's also added to the Annotations panel, which I'll get to in a minute. I can grab the highlight and drop it onto the canvas. It becomes its own card. I can group it with other quotes. Connect them to notes and documents, or pull into an AI chat later. And it's still linked back to the source. One click and I'm back at the exact page. Second tool, the clipper. Some things you don't want as a text. You want the whole thing, a picture, a diagram, or a figure. I draw a rectangle around it, and now I have it as a screenshot. Same as with the highlighter, it's saved in Annotations, and I can drop it onto the canvas. Here's the Annotations view. Every highlight, every clip, all listed here in order with the page number. I can scroll through them like reading a summary. And also I can add comments to the annotations. Okay, here's where it gets fun. I'm going to ask AI to read the first chapter and build me a map of it on the canvas. I select the book on the canvas and open an AI chat. That way, the AI works with whatever I've selected. Then I pick a model, look at this, the main thread of the chapter. I can edit this map, ask the AI to expand any piece, and when I read chapter 2, I add to the same map. And I can keep going. Let me ask AI to pull the main quotes from this chapter and put them next to the map. Now I've got the structure of the chapter and the strongest lines from it sitting next to each other. This is the canvas I'll come back to. And every chapter I read just adds to it. It's the same canvas, same project, just one more layer. I used to read challenging books and forget half of it by the end of the week. Read the chapter, underline something, move on. Reading with an AI that knows what's on the page in front of you, it changes everything. You finish the chapter and it stays with you, not just the feeling that you read something. That's it. PDF on canvas, highlighter, clipper, and an AI that reads with you. If you want to try it, links in the description.